Is it a sell-off or is it a short squeeze? Find all that out and more in this video.
Damn hustling, 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 hustling,
It's your
hustling,
boy
hustling,
Ski.
hustling, 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 hustling. Every
Welcome back to the Matrix. You're not just in the Matrix, you are the Matrix. How's it feel, Neo? And today we have a banger daily market news analysis. Just gonna be the analysis. We're gonna go over the charts. Let's get into it. I'm gonna show you guys all the things that I'm looking at currently, my updated plan. Am I selling everything? We're gonna get all into all of that. So my sell in May, walk away. Still structurally, okay, so structurally, I just want to get into this. So my prediction was the solar eclipse. The solar eclipse has came and the solar eclipse has passed. Now I did say that it's plus or minus 5 days, a window of energy, if you will, okay? But I have changed my tune slightly, and I'm going to get into that. I'm going to get into my plan moving forward. None of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. But I'll just say this right now. Structurally, everything looks fine. This looks like the back test that I was calling for back here. This is actually looks good to me. This looks like a back test, a clean back test. Everything structurally still looks fine on Bitcoin. If you go over here to the DXY, even this looks really weak. Honestly, this looks very, very weak. This is just a lower high right now. This would be invalidated. Bitcoin, the charts, and the DXY, which is the strength of the US dollar, would be invalidated if we got above 102. But as of right now, 102.76. As of right now, we're at 102.24, which on the DXY is a good jump. On Bitcoin, this would be invalidated. My thesis would be invalidated because I want to give you guys the most likely outcome, okay? I'm not here to like pick on this day, on this time. I want to give you guys the range, the most likely outcome, okay? So this would be invalidated, okay? If we get below 26,500. If Bitcoin goes below 26,500, my thesis is invalidated. I am still hopeful for a retracement of 34,000 as high as 50,000. Now, I think that my timeline, perhaps sell in May, walk away, was a little bit ambitious, okay? We're still before May, so it's technically still possible. But I was looking back in the charts, and the time frame on which I'm looking at, on which structurally I think that we're very similar to, was back here in when was this? The 2015, the Shemitah, the previous 2015 Shemitah, and we had our retracement was back here. So this was a Shemitah year. This bear market was a Shemitah in 2015, as you can see. That was the prior Shemitah before 2022, and this was a retracement. As you can see, we had your parabolic rise, and we came yet again to the 618. Okay, so yet again to the 618. All right, so this time on the Shemitah, it happened in June. Okay, now I'm gonna tell you guys, this is my plan. I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm still hopeful for this retracement and an alt season. That is how I'm going to be playing it. That being said, I am foregoing, the good bit of profits, because I could take profits right now, but I just don't think it's the percentages that I was looking for or my targets. So basically what I'm saying is my plan is to wait, and I'm perfectly okay in waiting until end of June. Pretty much, I don't think it's going to go too much past late June. I still think July, August, certainly August, September, October, November are going to be very bearish. Okay, boring and bearish. However, I'm giving this until June for this move to completely pay out. And in waiting, I am perfectly okay with being incorrect and waiting all the way until the next bull run. That is the downside risk, but I still am very confident, and I still would give this a very likelihood of this happening. Now, the reason why I say I'm foregoing it is because if I'm wrong, if I'm invalidated and we go below 26,500, at that point, the profits aren't, I mean, you would still be up a good bit, like, because I accumulated most of mine down here at 16, 17,000. I mean, it would still be 63%, which is like amazing, but not as high as what I thought it was going to be. Okay. So basically, that's what I'm looking at. I'm looking at the DXY. I'm keeping my eye on the DXY right now. Still, basically, it is lower highs and lower lows still. Okay. And it didn't even have that much strength. Bitcoin, same thing. We're at a crucial level right now. This needs to hold. This level of support on the 236, back testing the 236. Okay. My thesis earlier was we were going to back test 25,300. I still think that that's going to happen, but it's likely going to happen in October, November. But a back test of the 236 is fairly normal. Okay. So I'm still hopeful. I still am very confident that this move is going to happen. However, I have changed my tune a little bit, just a smidgen on the time frame on which it is happening. I still think it's possible to happen before the end of April. However, I'm open-minded to June. I do believe August, September, October, November is going to be boring and bearish. So if it hasn't happened by then, I'm just going to hold through. That is my plan. Okay. Now let's take a look at gold. Same thing. Gold finding a little bit of support here, so that is a good sign. Ethereum, same thing, finding a little bit of support. It wouldn't be weird for Ethereum to come all the way back down here to 1800. In my opinion, that'd be a prime time buying opportunity. I've been buying the dips right now. I'm confident in this move, but that is my time frame. That is what I'm going to be doing. I'm buying the dip, dollar cost averaging, continuing to hold through with the understanding, if I'm incorrect, if I get invalidated on Bitcoin, that I'm going to hold through until 2024/2025. I don't think that that's going to happen. I'm still extremely bullish, and I think that this is going to happen. Still very bullish. But I just want to get you guys a quick video out today. Make sure you like, subscribe. I appreciate all of the support. Just wanted to give you guys an update on the video. I'm not selling. I'm not leaving. But that's what I'm seeing in the markets. Everything is good. Invalidated at 26,500. But I don't think that's going to happen. I'm still very bullish, very confident. And I'll let you guys know. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. That's okay. But that is it for this time. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Peace, love, prosperity. Make sure you like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok, subscribe on YouTube, Patreon, link down below if you guys want to do all that. Support me if you want. But I appreciate every single one of you guys. Peace, love, prosperity. God first. God bless. I'm out.
Damn, hustling, 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 hustling,
It's your
hustling,
boy,
hustling,
Ski.
hustling, hustling, hustling.